What's up, everybody? This is M3K, aka MK3 Tactical. There is nothing tactical about me, and today we are taking a look at something that I think you will find interesting. If you remember my last video, we were at the firing range and I was putting my Kraken EPC9 build through its paces. We worked out the issue with the bolt carrying group, but my optic battery failed. And on that build, I did not have backup flip-up sights. Lesson learned. I was caught lacking. Lesson learned. I didn't get backup flip-up sights. For one, I didn't see any that really I wanted to match the aesthetic. I didn't see any that matched the aesthetic on that firearm until I found these. And these do a great job without breaking the bank. So let's take a look at it. These are polymer. I just want to get that out the way. So if you have an issue with polymer, you might as well turn off now. Has a little instruction card, and it has a little included wrench with it for installation. Let's get this and this. We'll get this all out the way. And those are the showstoppers. So this is the front sight, and it has a little orange acrylic fiber optic thingamajiggy, and it's the camera doesn't do it justice. Now it is a little, it's not as bright as I would like it, but it's bright enough. You push the button, it pops up. You don't need a tool for elevation. You just turn that dial, and it's a very firm dial. You're not going to accidentally bump it and it's going to rotate or mess up your elevation. It's just not going to do that. It's too firm to do it. And there that is. This is the rear sight. Push the little button down, pops up. My thumb was in the way. And it has green. Now you can order these where it flips around. You can have the green up front and the orange in the back, whatever you want to do with those. It has it where you can order one or the other. Got these on Amazon, again, if I hadn't mentioned that. Now, the one thing that might be a bit con for some, but not necessarily for me, it does not have a flip up or flip around a circle for closer shots. It just has basically a one deal, right? This little circle gets it all in. So if you want to get your distances, if you want to get your closer shots, you just do it through that one circle. It doesn't move. If you see the marks to mark your windage, the dial is the same. It does not, it's very firm. You're not going to accidentally bump it and mess up anything there. To turn it, you need to intentionally turn it before it does anything. So to install these things, you just remove that screw completely. Same on the front, you remove the screw completely. Make sure that you don't lose this thing, because this is not glued into the polymer build of this, so this will come out. You adjust it where you want it on your firearm. You reinsert the screw and you tighten down pretty firm. It doesn't have any recommended torque specifications, but you tighten it down fairly tight. And again, same thing with there. A lot of people were saying that they had trouble getting them on. It might be because the polymer wasn't cut just right. Again, I put these on my Aero Precision EPC9, my Kraken build, like through the magic of editing and video. I've already tried this on my firearm already, and they fit. YouTube just gets a little funny about me showing you how to do it, but I will take a shot of this on the firearm so you can see what it looks like. Now, aside from the typical workings, how these things work, you just basically line it up like so. There you go. What you can also do, if you wanted to get quick target acquisition, what you can also do is it operates like pistol sights when it's in the down position. You just line this up like so. And they do co-witness pretty well with my setup. So they actually co-witness wonderfully with my setup. I have a co-witness riser with my optic, and these do co-witness. So yeah, that's it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut away, and I'm going to go ahead and put these things on my EPC9. We're going to take a look at it. While I do that, you guys talk amongst yourselves. So we have them on. They go in really easy. Like some people, again, have reported that they've had some trouble getting them on, and I imagine with poor quality control, that might very well be an issue, but I didn't have any problems with mine going on. This is the Aero Precision all the way through EPC9, and I call it the Kraken build because this is the gun candy. It's called Kraken Gun Candy, the Cerakote job I had done on it. But I like it. I like the look. Let's see. Let's pop them up. You see there? Oh, look at, let's see, that green just pops. Hit them there, and it is not a bad look, to be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy with it. Under 20 bucks on Amazon. There will be a link for these in the description below. If you have found this helpful, drop a like, a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. The reason I do what I do is if I have a question about it, I figure you might also. So I make bad choices so you don't have to. Guys, thank you so very much for your time. Greatly appreciate it. Be safe out there. Live the dream.